Hey viewers, welcome back to my new video. And guys, this video unboxing high quality animals figure, beautiful guys, realistic animals figure. So open this box. Okay, wow, high packing is beautiful animals collections. It's very high packing. And open this box. Wow guys, dinosaur collections, amazing guys. Look, oh, first pouch dinosaurs, big size. T-Rex, dinosaurs, Stegosaurus, and build animals. Oh my god, beautiful animals guys, build animals. So side this box and build animals, dinosaur animals. So open this pouch, dinosaur animals. Okay, one by one review. So guys, very nice look. Oh wow guys, beautiful look guys. Two mouth dinosaurs, amazing guys. Color combination is really good, and black and red. So side this. And then next guys, dinosaur. Oh wow guys, beautiful look guys, dinosaur, amazing guys. Look, wow, side this. And guys, next figure. Oh wow, three mouth dinosaurs, blue black combination guys, beautiful. Side this. And oh wow guys, yellow T-Rex dinosaurs, beautiful look guys, yellow T-Rex dinosaurs, amazing guys. Look, so wow, so side this. And next guys, Stegosaurus, yellow red combination guys, Stegosaurus, amazing. And next guys, big size, wow, beautiful yellow dinosaurs, look amazing. So side this pouch. And next, wild animals, amazing guys. So open this pouch and first figure, giraffe. Wow, red yellow combination guys, very nice look guys, giraffe figure, amazing guys. Looks like this. And the next figure, lion, beautiful look guys, lion figure, yellow black red combination, lion figure, side this. And the next figure, elephant, beautiful look guys, elephant, amazing guys. Look, wow, so side. And guys, next figure guys, rhinoceros, amazing guys, realistic rhinoceros figure. So side this. And guys, next figure, panda bear, beautiful look guys, panda bear, black white combination, side this. And guys, next figure, leopard, yellow black combination guys, very nice look guys, leopard. So beautiful animals collection.